Dry-fitting ceramic tiles before permanent installation requires a precise mock layout to catch spacing, cutting, and pattern issues before any adhesive is mixed. Begin by sweeping and measuring the area, and mark the center lines with a chalk line from opposite walls so you have two perpendicular axes to reference. Dry lay full tiles along those lines to establish the visual center and work toward the edges, keeping spacer thickness in mind so grout joints remain consistent. Use the same spacers you plan to use with thinset so the mock layout reflects final joint widths. Where a full tile does not reach the wall, stop the dry run at the point where a partial tile would begin and mark that edge on the tile face with non-permanent pencil or tape so you can measure the needed cut precisely. If your layout creates a very narrow sliver of tile at a wall, adjust the start point by shifting the grid half a tile or recentering to balance cut sizes on opposing walls. Small shifts of less than a quarter tile can eliminate unusable narrow cuts. For patterned or staggered layouts, simulate the pattern across several rows to ensure offsets do not force tiny end pieces against walls or fixtures, and confirm transitions at thresholds and around obstacles. Keep a notebook and photograph the final dry fit from multiple angles so you can reproduce the layout exactly during installation and hand those marks to any helper to prevent misalignment under pressure. Common problems include ending up with very narrow edge pieces, which you fix by recentering the grid or changing the starting line so end cuts are at least 1/4 of a full tile width. Another issue is inconsistent grout joint widths during dry fit, solved by using the same spacer type and thickness you will use with adhesive and checking joints frequently as you lay tiles. Lastly, you might discover that a pattern repeat or stagger forces awkward cuts around fixtures. Remedy that by extending the dry fit beyond the visible floor area, trialing alternative offsets, or considering a different pattern that preserves larger, uniform pieces near walls. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools to plan projects like tile layout and find professionals to carry out the work. We host a discussion community where people and contractors share tips, photos, and real-world experiences to help everyone make better choices.